fish. Put it in boiling water, hey. It heats up 3 times. Then, let's take it out, drain the water, and prepare it. Use. At this time, we put a big spoonful of oil in the pot. We're cooking fish, so the oil should be a little thick. Make a little more room for it and put in 100 grams. After it gets hot, we'll put that on. A few grains. This. Fry the fermented black beans until fragrant, then add an appropriate amount of Sichuan peppercorns and star anise to the pan and fry until fragrant. Flour. The aroma of pepper and star anise. Add scallions, ginger, and garlic. There were also dried chili peppers that he put in. He stir-fried the scallions, ginger, and garlic until they were fragrant. Sauté. After the fragrance, we add some oyster sauce to enhance the flavor. Add another spoonful of soybean paste and then add a spoonful of Pixian Doubanjiang Pixian. Add some broad bean paste and half a spoonful of Donggu soy sauce. Now let's put this sauce. Stir-fry it until fragrant. Arrive at this small. The moment the aroma hits, I see the stir-fried meat smells delicious too. That's absolutely true. Give this little sauce a. The waste was so fragrant, this little flavor was so good. It smells delicious. If you stew fish, it tastes like fish. But what does stewed sand taste like? This little sauce. It's really good. Did you see it after that? It's been stir-fried until fragrant, isn't it? Stir-fry until fragrant. Oh, what is this? Let's put it here and take a look. Drink some strong liquor and add some sunflower seeds. A little bit of wine. Yes, we need to add a little wine. It's fragrant, enhances the aroma, and removes the fishy smell. Give me some strong liquor and this pot of rice. Use spit. Then let's spray some vinegar on the side of the pot. Add a big spoonful of rice vinegar. Don't skimp on the vinegar, or it won't taste good. 1 up. Put. Adding rock sugar to sweet pastry is acceptable. No, you absolutely have to send it. Old vinegar or rice vinegar are both fine, and some people have said that adding too much vinegar might. It will be sour. It is indeed very sour, but it is our understanding of rabbit grass. It doesn't taste good, but you boil it to make it release its sourness. Hey, give full play to. Let's. Forget it, I'm not doing this now. The stadium was so nice and the water was amazing. Look, then shake the pot a bit. You'll eat all these little fish, right? It's already like this. It's not even cooked through. There's so little broth, and you're still waiting outside? What are you waiting for? Hurry up, you're waiting to eat. Why are you still talking like that? Urgent. It hasn't reached that stage yet. Our sauce has been boiling for a while now. Oh dear, this fish. Oh, can it? See how to remove the fishy smell. We're waiting to eat. You've come to see this. We'll add water when it's time. Don't add too much water. Too much is not good. We can eat it, even if it's just through the fish or a bottle. Right now, we need to squeeze inside the fish. It would taste better with a little saltiness, but this salty stuff needs to be soaked in water beforehand. It washes 2 or 3 times repeatedly. Or it's too salty. Then let's add some spice to it. Seasonings are just things you put in, like MSG. Fashionable temperament. I care. Let's have another little bit. Don't push it down. Don't push this down. A cup. Our salty is salty. It won't taste good if you push it down, so let's pick the middle part at the bottom and add 2 more spoonfuls. Sugar can be used to enhance its umami flavor. Why? Now that you've won, what's the rush? Everything's fine, isn't it? Cover the fire. Love boils it. Oh, simmer it over low heat. 30 minutes. Just kidding, you 2 fish, the 2 fish they got. Someone asked me to give you a plate. Yes, I'll give you some eggs too. Okay, watch carefully. Is this a little bit of egg? Last time. If you say it's over $1 million, give me $1. My older sister will give me over 2,000. You can't take what you say lightly. I have over 2,000 yuan to fish, enough to buy fish. You paid for the food, one after another. The result was over 100 likes, and you still gave me one. If you don't have $1, I'll fish for you long term and teach you how to fish, guys. You're going to have a tough time. This, if it exceeds 1 million and you don't give me the money next time, I won't argue with you anymore. Let's discuss it. Are there more than 100 eggs? Give me $1 for each egg. I'll save up some money and buy some. I'll give you $1, you have to. Okay, I'll buy some fish food and then teach my friends how to cook it. Suitable fish to keep. My friend, can you not recommend them? Will you let me order or not? Please guys, I'm begging you. They've been stewing for 8 hours. Come on, let's take a look. Real. Okay, that's right. Not bad, Ran. Then, at this point, we'll cut out the larger piece and put it on the table. Where is the video? Regarding the large pieces of fish that weren't cut into shapes, I didn't take a picture of you secretly. It was cut off, wasn't it? They're all fans of that guy who didn't record anything, just arguing over peppercorns and spices. This time, we cut out. I thought it was a system where everyone was in power, including ours. 1 peppercorn. I've cut out all the ginger slices that could be cut. Just cut it all out to save time. This place has overwhelmed netizens. Here's the sauce. Reduce it over high heat until it's thick and sticky. It tastes best when it's mushy. Oh, look at this fish. Isn't it delicious? Oh, this fish. Eat back. Go see. See, we've added all the Sichuan peppercorns, right? We're not adding the last 2 peppercorns. Oh, we must get this done. The sauce has simmered until it's become so thick and sticky. Turn up the heat to reduce the sauce. Take the pot out and give it to it. Add some. Put the minced garlic in first then. Add some cilantro. Wow, the aroma of this fish is already wafting up right now. Garlic flavor. The aroma of cilantro. Our delicious braised Crucian carp with cilantro is now ready. Look, there are. Loss of appetite. We're from the same hometown. We're all pretty free, just sitting at home eating and having a really good time. Appetizing. Okay, and then what happened, everyone? Thinking about my little thing. And then what? I want to save some of my own money to buy some rainwater and pay more to the big guys. The way this fish is cooked sounds. We've arrived here, haven't we? See you in a lifetime.